Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome, bienvenidos if you are new here. So today I bring you yet again another Temu haul. If you didn't watch my first haul, I will link it up here, somewhere up here. Click on that if you want to watch that first. We have more stuff, so let's unbox it together. So with that said, grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and jump right into today's Temu haul. So if you guys are not familiar with Temu, it's an app and they pretty much sell anything. It's clothing, they have fashion items, they have baby clothes, they have home decor, they have shoes, they have literally whatever you can think of: beauty, health, home and kitchen, electronics, bags and luggage, smart home appliances, musical instruments, like literally the list goes on and on. I found this through Facebook. I was scrolling through Facebook and I always shop for my little boy for clothes and things like that. And it recommended me this app and I saw the prices. I was like, no way. So I ended up ordering like 2 things to begin with. And when I received them, I was shocked at how good the quality was. So I've been addicted to them, and thank you Temu for sponsoring this video because you guys have came in clutch. So anyways, let me show you the cutest shoes. Okay, my favorite things to order from the app are like fashion pieces as well as like makeup, skincare, because honestly the prices are so good. So I am really into like chunky shoes, the chunky heel shoes, because I am super short. I'm only 5 feet tall, you guys. I am a petite Latina. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, I need these in my life. Look at how cute these are. My daughter saw them. She's like, I want some of those, Mom. Where did you get them? I'm like, sorry, they don't make them for you. But they are so comfortable. I worn them once already, as you can see from the bottom. I got so many compliments. I love the style. It's very like simple but very different as well. I feel like this is a very like Y2K style that is very trendy right now. You have the chunky sole and then you have the black. It's more of a cream color, like a coffee cream, and they're just so cute. They literally pair with everything. They're gonna go perfect with this outfit, and I will be inserting a video right here so you guys can see how they look on. They are true to size. I am a size 7 in women's and I have wide feet, and these fit so comfortably, you guys. So highly recommend. The material is really nice. It doesn't feel cheap or like anything like that. So I am just so obsessed with these. I got a pair of jeans because right now I am in that odd weight stage where, not odd, but I recently lost about 6 pounds. Don't even know what I did, but I lost 6 pounds. And so some of my jeans are fitting a little bit weird. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let me try and order a pair of jeans to see how I like the material. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've already worn these 2. I wanted to try most of these items out before I show them to you guys, just so you know if they're worth it, you know. So these, I got them in a size medium, and honestly I could have sized down to a size small. Right now I think I'm in between a size 5, maybe like a size 3 and a size 5, and so I think these are leaning more to like size 5 to 7, but these are super cute. And tell me why I wore them with a tag and my butt kept itching. I was like, why does my butt itch so much? And it was because I didn't take off the tag. So this is what the jeans look like. They have a little tear above the knee, I think, or on the knee. And then they're just like a straight leg jean. So they're not super oversized. They're a little bit baggy. And because I don't have like hips or much of a butt, they do fit a little bit more oversized on me versus somebody that maybe it's a little bit curvier, would fill them in a little bit more. But the material in this, you guys, literally is what you get at like Forever 21, wherever you buy your jeans, like Ross and stuff. Same quality. It's super soft. I love the color or the wash of these jeans. I love these jeans and they're so comfy. If you know me personally, you know that I love slippers. Like for Christmas or my birthday, like that's what I like to ask for because I just live in slippers. So when I saw these, I knew immediately I had to get them. I don't know if I saw these going viral somewhere or if I'm just tripping, but these are so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, if you love slippers, you're going to love these. These say 38.39, which I'm pretty sure these are like a 6'7" or 7'8", but they're so comfortable. Oh my goodness, the way that they just like hug your feet. Ah, look at that. Love the slippers. If you need them, get them. Before we move on to the rest of like clothing, because that's pretty much what I ordered, let's go through some of the makeup that I ordered and some skincare products that I was shook when I saw them. So I ordered a few liquid lipsticks. They also have LANEIGE, which this is a brand that is very popular here in the US. I've already tried the Radian-C cream and I loved it. It didn't break me out, which I was nervous about because a lot of skincare products really break me out. But this is what the cream looks like. It's just a vitamin C cream and it smells just like oranges. It's super, super lightweight on the skin and they have really amazing ingredients. This is a brand that you can also find at like Sephora and things like that. But when you're shopping at Temu, like you can kind of shop for everything at once and get everything shipped to your home. I took a quick minute to unbox everything so I can show you guys what I got. So I got a loose setting powder because I love trying out new brands, and this is just the FOCALLURE face powder in number 2, so definitely will try that out. And then I also ordered a few blushes. You guys know that I love me my peach tone blushes, so I got 2 shades and honestly they both look so pretty. This one is 401 and it has a really pretty picture of like a flower. Do you guys see that? And then this one is 202, which is a little more peachy. This one is more up my alley. Do you guys see that? Oh, that is so pretty. So I will keep you guys updated or maybe test these out on an upcoming video with you. I also got the Shimmering Skin Press Highlighter in HG02, which is this one right here. And again, this one looks really, really pretty. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's definitely my type of color. I also ordered a sunscreen from LANEIGE because I am really bad at wearing sunscreen, and it's because I haven't found the sunscreen for my oily skin. Like anything that's sunscreeny just really clogs my pores and it makes me super, super oily. So this is a watery sunscreen with SPF of 50, so hopefully this works out for me. I also got a Skin Veil base with SPF by LANEIGE. And this one is just supposed to kind of like even out the tone of your skin. And honestly, the packaging is so luxe and it's purple, so it just evens out the skin tone as you rub it in. I have used this one already and I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know that it really did anything because it does leave a little bit of that white cast. So I wasn't a fan of that, but I will have to keep trying it and update you guys on how I like it with like makeup and things like that. So here are some swatches of the lip glosses that I got. Honestly, now that I am swatching them, like these are definitely not glosses that I really see myself wearing. They're a little too dark, a little too brown for my taste. If anything, maybe this one I will wear. But I mean, I will still try them out and see how they work. And I need a wipey, so give me one sec. I got 2 of their lipsticks, and honestly, ooh, that one looks really nice and really, really creamy. Those are the lipsticks right there. Those are actually really nice, and the formula feels super soft and like velvety. This formula seems a little bit more like up my alley. It has like that velvety finish. It's like that mousse velvet powder finish that is so pretty on the lips. If you have more mature lips, this formula is best on you, and this color is right up my alley. The last thing that I ordered as far as like makeup is an eyeshadow primer. This is the Stay With Me eyeshadow primer from FOCALLURE. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but that is the last thing that I ordered as far as like makeup products, so hopefully we can test those out soon. I have 2 items left to show you guys, and these 2 are my absolute favorites. So you guys saw me wearing this already. I just put this back in the bag, but I ordered me a silk robe just because I wanted one when I film like get ready with me videos or like those makeup transformation videos. I wanted something to be cozy and cute with, so I ordered me the silk robe in black. Of course, I think they have other colors, but you can't go wrong with black, and the material feels super, super nice. And then the very last thing that I got is a super cute oversized sweater. Even though Texas is back to being hot, I'm like, great, hopefully I get to wear this. But I fell in love with how they dressed the sweater, and it looks like this. So it's just a gray button-up sweater, and it has these, like, I think they call them like bubble sleeves or something like that, where they're just like really poofy. Super cute, and again, it is oversized. So that is everything that I got from Temu. What do you guys think? I'm literally on the app right now like, ooh, what do I want to get next? So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's little haul featuring Temu. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite pieces were. If you guys want to see more videos of my hauls, let me know, because I'm always on there and I'm always ordering new things. Also, I will try to review some of the makeup that I purchased here on an upcoming video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to use my link and my code to save more money on the Temu app. Thank you so much for watching and being here. I love you. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.